This personality was born on 3rd April 1984. The first Indian astronaut traveled to the space. His name was squadron leader Rakesh Sharma. Few days after, a son was born to the couple, Ramakrishnan Master and Sarla Devi. Government school
JCI, not only explaining why it's formed and how it's formed, but we got already motivated with what you are, and the 3 pages are worthwhile. Thank you very much, everyone, and I would request our Vice Chairman, JC Latika Kalyani, to propose vote of thanks.
नमस्ते, दिस इज JFD अतुल कुंदकर, जोन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ JCI इंडिया जोन 11। आज JCI तालीगांव का जेकॉम टेबल हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है और उसी के लिए हमारे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट JFS राकेश शर्मा सर यहाँ पे आए, तो आप सभी से सहयोग किया उन्होंने, और आज यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ऑफिशियली JCI जेकॉम टेबल तालेगांव का 1.0 यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है। सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल द मेंबर्स कि उन्होंने यहाँ पे एक सहयोग देके JCI का एक बिजनेस टेबल हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Virginia ji. Shilpa come. Sumaya. बहुत बड़ी टीम है। Dynamic team.
So definitely, in my life, in my JCI career as the national president, this moment will be always etched in my heart. This moment will be always ever memorable in my heart. So, on behalf of the National Governing Board of JCI India, I would like to wish all the very best and congratulate once again all of you for this wonderful initiative, and I congratulate the Sound President once again for the support you have given to the JCOM. All the best, have a wonderful time. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai JCI, JCOM, JCOM. Series of distress, series of financial problems in the world. We have seen terrorist attacks, we have seen COVID, we have seen after that lot of things happened. Even now, the wars are going on. Ukraine, Palestine, Gaza. So still, after 108 years also, the JCI creed, the values of this creed, values of this organization is still relevant and significant. I would like to congratulate and welcome all of you to be a part of this fold, which has created and established to reaching to Zone 11. As a national president, I am so happy and proud to meet such a vibrant team of JCOM members, vibrant team of JCI leaders who are duty bound and already taken charge and already got motivated to go forward to take JCOM to the next level. So dear friends, once again, when I tell them I am proud to be here because the national president's visits happens on.
We come to an end actually very fast. Thank you very much, Riya, for speeding this up. Warm thank you to our national president for coming, and yes, we've etched because we are an enthusiastic team and we will remain like that. Is that a promise? Yes. So we will remain enthusiastic. We are here to bring in a lot of business, a lot of happiness. happiness and togetherness, because only if we have a good bond, we grow together.
Yes.
So presenting the vote of thanks to the members, visitors, dignitaries, zone officers, zone chairman, zone vice president, or table coach, zonal president, our national president. Welcome everybody to the launch of JCOM Talegaon Elite Table 100 induction ceremony. Thank you very much for all of you. Give me your time. Thank you.
And again, 1919, the Second World War started. And the entire globe was feeling the distress of war and craving for peace. So this organization was founded in 1915 by Henry Gisselvier. And if you can go through the founder's perspective of Union Chamber International, it says that the ultimate aim of this organization is permanent, everlasting establishment of the permanent and everlasting world peace. We might have studied in history. It was in 1945 the United Nations was established in this world for the peacemaking process. Long years back, before the United Nations and before the League of Nations thought about bringing peace in this world, this organization have come in this world at the United States with the aim of ultimate peace. This is the...
Good afternoon. I am JFS Advocate Rakesh Sharma, the National President of Union Chamber International India. I am coming from Kerala and I have started my official visit to visit the entire country India through 28 zones, 28 states and 3 union territories of India. We are very much happy to be here in Zone 11 at Goa, and I am very much thankful to the leaders of JCs of Goa for the wonderful reception they have accorded to me. Union Chamber International is an organization which creates leaders for a changing world. This organization is always created lot of leaders in the past, and currently also whoever comes in the leadership ladders, they are given opportunity to perform themselves and do the social activities also. This organization has created lot of past leaders like UN Secretary Generals, US Presidents, Japan Prime Ministers, and including the Chief Minister of Goa, Sri Pramod Ji Sawant. I am very much happy to see the activities of JCOM and JCI activities at Zone 11. And here, when we stay at Goa, we are in the 75th anniversary of JCI India, and we really appeal to the government of Goa also to give a concession and an approach and a support to JCI to provide a skill development center at Goa so that a national JCI academy can be established at Goa to support the dreams to foster the youngsters of this country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai JCI.
I feel that I need not motivate you because I am getting motivated by the presence of all of you here. And I'm sorry, Sumaya, for that 3 pages of the introduction. That was a default introduction that we upload in the JCI website, but you should have reduced it. I'm sorry, but it was excellent. Thank you so much.
I'm sure while reading it out, everyone is already motivated.
Yeah. So she practices 3 times.
Thank you so much. So most respected chairperson of this very beautiful gathering, JC Ria, the coach of JCOM, and the person behind this wonderful gathering where we are sitting today, my best friend and the leader who represents this area, Zone 11 in the National Governing Board, who deliberates in the National Governing Board of JCI India excellently, Atul, the Zone President, Chetan, the Zone Chairman of JCI's Chamber of Commerce, Gajendra sir, actually we were discussing about you while we were driving here. Thank you so much for your presence here. And thank you so much for your contributions and support to this organization. Influential persons like you, always your presence and motivation always inspires youngsters like us and the organization like this to go forward. Thank you so much for your presence. And Kevin, Chairman, with the name of the World President. You know, the World President's name is Kevin. The World Secretary General's name is Kevin.
Oh.
That's great. So that's a
great.
big coincidence. So all the members of Talegaon, how it's pronounced? Talegaon. Yes. Jacob Allen Talegaon 1. So, good afternoon. And my dearest Sai, ZVP and my tour coordinator. How are you all? How are you?
Yes.
Great. Thank you so much for your wonderful reception here. See, I am really excited and I am really proud to be here. So normally when we start the meeting, it is obvious and it's a cliche dialogue that we normally tell that I am so happy and proud to be here. This is not that cliche dialogue that is coming from my heart, because such leaders, such entrepreneurs really creates verbs and creates that vibe which attracts other people and motivate other people and inspire other people. Congratulations, Riyadi. Thank you so much for your great support you are doing for this organization and for your commitment. I would like to appreciate on behalf of JCA India for a wonderful commitment of bringing this table and also the support you have given to the local organization and JCA India. And all of you, welcome to the JC's Chamber of Commerce who have been first time coming over here and joining in this table. Dear friends, JC's Chamber of Commerce was started a while ago only, but still, this organization you might be knowing. This was started in the year 1915 at St. Louis. See, what was the importance of 1915?
Coach of this table, JCI Senator Riya Patil Chandre, our chief guest, JCI JFS Rakesh Sharma sir, who's come from Kerala, गजेंद्र सिंह जी, आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है। सबसे पहले मेरा जो भाषण शुरू होना है उससे पहले मैं आप सभी से माफी मांगना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि आपने इंस्टॉलेशन मेरे लिए प्लान किया था 9 तारीख को, लेकिन कोल्हापुर में मेरे कुछ प्रायर कमिटमेंट्स थे पहले से, तो उसकी वजह से मैं आ नहीं पाया। उसके लिए आपसे तहे दिल से माफी मांगूंगा पहले। और कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आप सभी को कि आपने इतना अच्छा टेबल लॉन्च किया। सब चीजें होती रहती हैं हमारे इसमें, आपके ग्रुप में हूँ मैं और बहुत सारी चीजें मैं देख रहा हूँ आपके इसमें। सो इनिशियली सब चीजें हम लोग को फेस करना पड़ता है इनिशियली। बाद में एक बार सेटल हो जाएंगे ना, तो ये सब चीजें आप बोलोगे यार हम लोग ये सब चीजें पीछे पड़ जाएंगे आपके, और आपको एक अच्छा मतलब आप जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से आप जुड़े उसके बारे में हमारे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट पक्का बताएंगे इसमें। तो मुझे पता है कि आप मुझसे ज्यादा हमारे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट को सुनने में बहुत बेकरार है या इंटरेस्टेड है, तो ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लूंगा मैं आपसे। और 2 दिन में मुझे लगता है सबसे अगर कुछ रैपिड हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, कुछ इतना ज्यादा फास्ट या कुछ चीजें हो रही है, तो ये टेबल है कि 2 दिन पहले आपका इंस्टॉलेशन हुआ और इमीडिएटली आपने वो स्टार्ट भी कर दिया आपका जेकॉम टेबल। आपका रिया मैडम जो है उन्होंने इनिशिएटिव लिया है इस चीज का और आपका टेबल भी स्टार्ट हो गया। सो सर आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू अबाउट रिया पाटिल कि उन्होंने ना लास्ट ईयर शी हैज टेकन चार्ज ऑफ कोच and that time she came from the Bangalore and she told me that, sir, I'm making at least 5 tables, and she started this one. So I congratulate JC Riya Patil for the tremendous work, and she's on next table. I think she will start within next 1 week or 2 week. So Riya Patil जी, आपका सहयोग हम लोग को जरूर चाहिए ये साल, और हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि जेकॉम चेयरमैन का जो विजन है 1 साल की 1000 मेंबरशिप हम लोग लाएंगे सिर्फ जेकॉम में। सो आई कैन सी दैट विजन कि हम लोग वहां तक पहुंचेंगे थ्रू आपके सपोर्ट और हमारे जेकॉम चेयरमैन
और गजेंद्र जी के बारे में मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि जब से मैंने ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया है, इट्स ऑल अबाउट गजेंद्र जी, कि जो भी कुछ होता है गजेंद्र जी सर से पूछिए। सो इज वेरी इन्फ्लुएंशियल पर्सन। मुझे पता है आज 23 लोग हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे, और विद इन 1 वीक मुझे पता है विद इन 1 मंथ हम लोग 50 तक जाएंगे, और डेफिनेटली उनका सहयोग लगेगा हम लोग को। सो थैंक यू गजेंद्र जी कि आप इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जुड़े, और मुझे जो कुछ चीजें हैं ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, आप भी बहुत सारी चीजें सीखेंगे और लोगों को सिखाएंगे, तो आपका सहयोग मुझे हमें हर वक्त चाहिए। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच आपने मुझे यहाँ पे बुलाया और आपके साथ बोलने का मौका दिया। और भी बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स है उसमें हम लोग मिलेंगे बाद में। आज हम लोग, मैं आपको इनवाइट भी कर रहा हूँ, आज हम लोग का समर फेस्टिवल है जो हम लोगों ने साउथ गोवा में मडगांव के नजदीक रखा है, अर्सोनाला बीच पे है। सो आपको जेसीआई के सारे मेंबर्स मिलेंगे वहां पे, तो आप ये मौका छोड़िएगा मत। शाम में थोड़ी पार्टी टाइप है और थोड़ा फॉर्मल फंक्शन है, आपको इंटरेक्शन करने को मिलेगा इनफॉर्मल में हमारे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट्स के साथ। ये नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट्स की विजिट रहती है वो एक ही बार रहती है साल में, तो आपको ये अच्छा मौका मिल रहा है आपको सबके साथ आने का और वो एंजॉय करने का। सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू टू डोंट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, और सब आ जाइए और बहुत अच्छे से हम लोग आज फंक्शंस करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कॉलिंग।